Hey Alonso and Justin, how you doing? Thank you very much for clicking this video. My name is Lucas and I was telling Alonso about this video that I put together for you guys of three little things that you can fix really easily on your website so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. As you see, when you look up San Diego Kitchen Remodel, these guys show on the top results on here and over here. And by implementing these three things that you can fix really easily, you could be able to beat them in no time and securing those spots at the very top. You may wonder why I made this video for you guys, and the answer is simple. I know that business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet, work for them, and bring them more business. And when it comes to hire somebody to do it for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free educational videos and send it to business owners so they can get all this information. And a lot of them have the take the information and do it themselves, but some of them they call me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this for pure educational purposes for business owners. And if you like what you see and you want me to help you get there, just give me a call and we can chat. That said, I'm gonna tell you about the three main things that Google uses to rank a website at the very top. That is content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be everything that is on your website. All the text, all the pictures, and also how the pictures are saved as and what is behind those pictures. As you see, when I paste the content that is on your front page on the word counter, you see that you guys have about 300 words. Usually Google, for the websites that they rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. So as you see here, when you get a large remodel, for example, they have about 1,500 words. All right. It's very important that you make some research on what keywords are the ones that people are looking up the most regarding the services that you're providing, and you drop those keywords several times throughout that content. Keywords are basically this, what people are looking up. San Diego kitchen remodelers in San Diego, kitchen design in San Diego, all that stuff. You want to see which ones are the most searched, and you want to drop them several times. So when people look it up, Google can find your website and show it to them. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically another website putting a link on their place that when somebody clicks in it, drives the traffic back over here to your website. And this works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a lot of relevant websites vouching for you. And even though you can get a backlink for any kind of website, it's always better to get it from the same niche. I mean, if you get a backlink from a shoe website or from a website that talks about pizza or food, it's not going to be as strong and powerful on the eyes of Google as if another website that is from another kitchen remodeler or another construction company puts a backlink on their site to your place. Okay, that would be way more important and way more powerful. To check the backlinks, we use a tool called Ahrefs here in Purple Room. So when I put your website here, I can see that you have two referring domains. This means that it's two websites out there that somewhere in their website they have a link that when you click it, it takes you back over here. As you see, when you see the competition, Large Remodel here, or Miramar Kitchen and Bath, let's start with Large Remodel, you see these guys have 74 referring domains. And Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they have 38. How can you close that gap? It's as easy as you go through all the referring domains over here and over here, and you copy them. If these domains are good to rank them, they're good to rank you, okay? So you go through every single one, make an account, drop a link to your website, and let's go. After that, you always want to add some extra on top. That way you make sure that you beat them 100%. So with that content with the keywords and those backlinks, you'll be securing this spot in no time. How you get this spot over here? Really easy, and the good thing is that this one is for free. For the ads, you just need to outbid your competitor. But to get here, all you need to do is to make more citations. A citation is basically your business information listed in several directories throughout the web. Directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Google, Facebook, Google, no, sorry, Angie's List, White Pages, all these places that they just list businesses information. Okay, you want to have more than your competition. For that, you can use a tool that tells you how many citations your competition has, and you just copy them. Same with the backlinks. You copy all the ones that they have, but in this situation, you want to add at least 100 extra. Okay, that way you make it really hard for them to ever catch up to you. For example, if they have 150, I personally would put maybe 300. That way, I'll secure this spot and I'll secure this spot as well. And that's it, guys. Let's make a little recap. You need about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. You need a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start building by copy your main competition and just adding some extra ones on top. And then just going to see how many citations your top competitors has and make at least 100 more than them. That way, in no time, guys, you'll be ranking at the very top. And if you like what I just told you and you want to go ahead and do it, if you do it yourselves and you have me doing it for you guys, I would recommend you start as soon as possible because implement all this stuff takes some time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner you'll be getting all that extra business and all those extra phone calls. All right. And as I said, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like what you see and you want me to help you, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy. Thank you very much for watching. And if you give me a little feedback, that'll help me tremendously. Have a great day.